India and Australia are set to face off in a highly anticipated first semi-final of the ICC Champions Trophy 2025 at the Dubai International Stadium, Dubai, on March 4th, 2:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Both the teams will battle out for a spot in the final, with India entering the match on the back of a dominant group stage performance, while Australia will be looking to prove their strength after a rain-affected campaign. Moving on to match preview of the semi-final between India and Australia. India topped Group A with flawless campaign, securing 3 consecutive victories. Their last match saw them claiming a victory over New Zealand thanks to Shreyas Iyer's 79-run knock and Varun Chakravarti's 5-wicket haul. Australia's group stage campaign was disrupted by rain, with 2 matches being washed out. They managed to get only 1 win, finishing second in the Group B. Both teams will look to capitalize on their strengths, with India's consistency making them favourites, while Australia's aggressive style can't be underestimated. Now moving on to India versus Australia head-to-head records. Matches played 151. India won 57 matches. Australia won 84 matches. Australia having slight edge in head-to-head department. Now moving on to India versus Australia weather and pitch report. Temperatures around 28 degrees Celsius. Weather forecast, clear skies. Pitch behavior, batting friendly, having some assistance for the pacers. Average first inning score is 250. Teams chasing have a record of 60% success rate. Now where to watch India versus Australia game? Cricket fans can catch the live broadcast of India versus Australia first semi-final on all major sports networks such as Star Sports and Sports 18 in India and Fox Sports in Australia. Additionally, the match will be available for live streaming on Jio Hotstar applications, ensuring fans don't miss any of the action. Now moving on to predicted playing 11s of India and Australia. Firstly, India. Shubman Gill opening alongside Rohit Sharma, having Virat Kohli at number 3, Shreyas Iyer at number 4, at number 5 will be KL Rahul, at number 6 will be Akshar Patel, at number 7 will be Hardik Pandya, at number 8 Ravindra Jadeja, at number 9 Varun Chakravarti or Harshit Rana, at number 10 will be Mohammad Shami, and finally Kuldeep Yadav at number 11. Moving on to Australia. Travis Head opening alongside Jake Fraser-McGurk, Steve Smith at number 3, Marnus Labuschagne at number 4. At number 5 will be Josh Inglis. At number 6, Alex Carey. At number 7 will be Glenn Maxwell. At number 8 will be Ben Dwarshuis. At number 9, Nathan Ellis. At number 10 will be Adam Zampa. And finally, Spencer Johnson at number 11. Now moving on to Dream 11 fantasy tips for India-Australia semi-final. Firstly, the captaincy picks. Virat Kohli, the Indian star batter, despite scoring just 7 runs in the last match, is known for his consistency and big match temperament. Shubman Gill, a classy opener who can change the game with his stroke play. Now the top picks. Akshar Patel, a key all-rounder who contributed with 42 runs and took 1 wicket in the last match. Travis Head, a dangerous batter capable of scoring quick runs, scored 59 runs in the last match. Now the budget picks. Ben Dwarshuis, a swing bowler who had stepped to Australian lineup. Varun Chakravarti, a handy all-rounder who provides balance to the Indian team. Now the predicted India versus Australia Dream 11 teams. Dream 11 Team 1. Wicketkeepers Josh Inglis. Batsmen Virat Kohli, Travis Head, Rohit Sharma and Shubman Gill. All-rounders Glenn Maxwell, Hardik Pandya and Akshar Patel. Bowlers Adam Zampa, Mohammad Shami and Varun Chakravarti. Now moving on to captaincy and vice-captaincy options. Virat Kohli will be leading this side, having Travis Head as his deputy. Now the Dream 11 Team 2. Wicketkeepers KL Rahul. Batsmen Virat Kohli, Travis Head, Rohit Sharma and Shubman Gill. All-rounders Hardik Pandya and Akshar Patel. Bowlers Adam Zampa, Mohammad Shami, Varun Chakravarti and Ben Dwarshuis. Now talking about captaincy and vice-captaincy options. Shubman Gill will be leader of this side, having Akshar Patel as the vice-captain. Now the players to avoid in India versus Australia semi-final. Some players like Washington Sundar and Harshit Rana might not get a chance to feature in the playing 11 of Team India for the remaining part of the tournament. Choosing wisely can help maximize your points. Now the India versus Australia match prediction. India comes into the semi-final as more consistent and balanced team with a strong group stage performance. Their batting lineup led by Rohit Sharma, Shubman Gill and Virat Kohli has been in excellent form, while the bowling attack, spearheaded by Mohammad Shami and Kuldeep Yadav, has delivered crucial breakthroughs. The slow pitch in Dubai could favour India's spin option, making Ravindra Jadeja and Varun Chakravarti key players in restricting Australia's aggressive batters. If India plays to their strength, they are well positioned to secure a place in the final. However, Australia thrives in high-pressure knockout matches and has the firepower to turn the game around. Travis Head and Glenn Maxwell will be the key batters to watch out for, capable of countering India's bowling attack with aggressive stroke play. Their pace attack featuring Nathan Ellis and Spencer Johnson must make early inroads to put India under pressure. If Australian bowlers can dismiss India's top order cheaply and their middle order stabilizes against spin, they have a strong chance of pulling off an upset. While India has the edge, Australia remains a formidable opponent in the crunch situations. Stay tuned for more fantasy cricket tips and match analysis as the Champions Trophy moves into its final round and the competition grows intense.